Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on the Nintendo Switch 2 announcement. After months of speculation and leaks, Nintendo is expected to officially announce the Nintendo Switch 2 today, January 18, 2025. Let's break down everything you need to know. Starting in April 2025, Nintendo will host hands-on events in various cities around the world. These events will allow fans to try out the new console before its release. The complete list of locations and dates for the hands-on events includes New York, USA, from April 5th to 7th, Los Angeles, USA, from April 10th to 12th, London, UK, from April 15th to 17th, Paris, France, from April 20th to 22nd, Tokyo, Japan, from April 25th to 27th, and Sydney, Australia, from April 30th to May 2nd. These events are a great opportunity for gamers to experience the new console firsthand. Over the past few months, there have been numerous leaks and speculations about the Nintendo Switch 2. From potential features to design changes, the gaming world has been buzzing with excitement. Some of the key rumors include a larger screen and improved performance. A brief 2-minute trailer has been released, giving us a first look at the Nintendo Switch 2. The trailer showcases a larger screen, thinner bezels, and new Joy-Con controllers. These features suggest a sleek and modern design that will enhance the gaming experience. To recap, we've discussed the official announcement of the Nintendo Switch 2, the anticipation and excitement around the announcement, the numerous leaks and speculations, the fiscal year deadline, the backwards compatibility with original Switch games, the scheduled Nintendo Direct presentation, the hands-on events in various cities, and the first-look trailer. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates as they become available. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed on the latest news about the Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching.